first IGTV video. It's me, Sleazy, or if you know me, my name is Corey. And today I'm gonna teach you how to do a quick, easy, natural, everyday eyebrow. Alright, so first I like to use the NYX Microbrow pencil in the shade Espresso. This is a really good pencil. I love this pencil. Like it's real. Honestly, it gives you the microbladed look and it looks really natural. Excuse me. So I'm just gonna start brushing the brows. Just brushing them up and out, and like smooth my tail out. I'm trying to get dressed too because I got somewhere to go. Let me get my mirror because you know I can't see, girl, I'm blind. So now I'm just taking the pencil in. I'm gonna twist up some product. Now I'm gonna start lining the bottom of my eyebrow. Like so. Just following my natural shape. I'm out of breath, hold on. What you should do too, but just follow the natural shape so you don't have to conceal afterwards because we're going for a natural brow. And what I like to do, since it's so precise, just start doing quick flicks of product in my brow. And I don't touch the top. Well, sometimes I do, but most of the time I don't. And I like to go in with the spoolie as I'm doing it, just to ensure that it's like really natural looking. And the only top, the top of that I touch though when I do my natural brow, most of the time, is the tail. Just keep on until you get the desired, and you look kind of fluffy also, which is really cute. I also like to take the pencil and do some short flicks in the front, just to, give dimension. Now I'm gonna do the other brow off camera just so you can see the final look, and we'll be right back. All right, both brows are on. Also, what I like about this product, so like for this brow, I had to go in with like the bottom of my tail and take the pencil and kind of like do little flicks to fill in where I wanted to concentrate the brow hairs. But here's the final look. I hope you all enjoy this quick, little, easy, on-the-go tutorial. You can do this to go to school, grocery store, whatever. It looks really natural, really nice. And catch you in the next one.